Tayo naman with Master Gary. This morning we'll do the stand-up paddleboard. Enjoy! Welcome to our playground here. This is the Iloilo River. We're doing the stand-up paddle with Master Gary.
Mabuhi.
Mabuhi.
Mayo kayo.
He's from Siargao. He used to be teaching stand-up paddle there, but because of COVID, right now, he came back home. And he's here to teach me how to do stand-up paddle.
Mabuhi.
Okay. Shout out galing da sa amigo ko si Dando Malayang kag Juan Pablo Katina na. Dili ka mo sa una pa mo na tandaan niyo. Birds of the same feathers are the same birds. He said this boat was provided by the mayor and these are being used to catch shrimps. Ga-vlog ko nung.